Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of building wealth through strategic asset acquisition. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, smash that subscribe button. And let's dive into the 12 best assets that can catapult you to riches. And stay tuned till the end for expert tips on how to maximize your returns from these assets. Now, when we talk about assets to become rich, we're not just talking about any assets. We're talking about the powerhouses, the assets that have the potential to transform your financial landscape and set you on the path to abundance. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs.
Asset 1. Real estate investments.
Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of wealth building: real estate. Owning property isn't just about having a roof over your head. It's about owning an income-generating machine. Whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial, real estate can provide consistent cash flow through rental income while also appreciating in value over time. But before diving in, conduct thorough market research. Crunch the numbers, and ensure your investment aligns with your long-term financial goals. Create a detailed investment plan outlining your objectives, budget, target properties, and financing strategy. Remember, knowledge is power in real estate investing.
Asset 2. Stock market investments.
Next up, we have the stock market, a playground for investors seeking growth and passive income. Dividend stocks. Investing in companies that pay regular dividends can provide a steady stream of income, even in volatile market conditions. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payouts and strong fundamentals. Dive into financial reports, analyze company performance, and consider factors like dividend yield, payout ratio, and dividend growth rate before adding dividend stocks to your portfolio.
Asset 3. Intellectual property.
Now, let's talk about assets that harness the power of creativity and innovation: intellectual property. Patents and trademarks. Protecting your inventions and unique brand assets through patents and trademarks not only safeguards your intellectual property, but also opens doors to licensing opportunities and royalty income. Brainstorm ideas. Conduct a patent search to ensure your concept is unique, and consult with a patent attorney to navigate the application process effectively.
Asset 4. Business ventures.
Moving on to the entrepreneurial realm: small businesses and online ventures. Small businesses. Whether it's a brick-and-mortar store or an online venture, owning a business allows you to control your income potential and create value in the marketplace. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your niche, target market, revenue streams, and growth strategies. Remember, entrepreneurship requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to adapt to market changes.
Asset 5. Alternative investments.
Let's explore alternative investment opportunities that offer unique wealth-building avenues. Peer-to-peer lending. By connecting investors with borrowers through online platforms, peer-to-peer lending provides an alternative to traditional banking, offering attractive returns for investors while providing funding opportunities for borrowers. Research peer-to-peer lending platforms. Assess their track record, risk factors, and borrower profiles, and diversify your investment across multiple loans to mitigate risk.
Asset 6. Precious metals.
Let's delve deeper into the allure of precious metals as a wealth-building asset. Gold and silver. These timeless commodities have served as stores of value for centuries, offering protection against inflation and geopolitical uncertainty. Investing in precious metals can provide diversification to your portfolio and act as a hedge during economic downturns. Research different forms of precious metal investments, such as bullion, coins, or ETFs, and consider factors like purity, storage costs, and liquidity before making your investment.
Asset 7. Art and collectibles.
Now, let's explore the world of art and collectibles, a realm where passion meets profit. Art and collectibles. Investing in rare artwork, vintage cars, or rare collectible items can offer both aesthetic pleasure and financial rewards. However, thorough research and expert advice are essential to navigate this niche market successfully. Attend art exhibitions, auctions, and collectible fairs to educate yourself on market trends, artist reputations, and valuation methodologies. Consider partnering with art advisors or appraisers to make informed investment decisions.
Asset 8. Heavy machinery and equipment leasing.
Let's talk about heavy machinery and equipment leasing, a lucrative opportunity in the industrial sector. Heavy machinery. Investing in equipment like excavators, cranes, or bulldozers and leasing them to construction companies or infrastructure projects can yield significant passive income. As economic activities grow, so does the demand for heavy machinery, making it a stable investment option. Research industries with high demand for heavy machinery, assess rental rates, and evaluate potential risks such as maintenance costs and market volatility. Consider partnering with equipment rental companies or industry experts to optimize your investment strategy.
Asset 9. Cryptocurrency investments.
Now, let's explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency, a digital revolution that's reshaping the financial landscape. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets offer decentralized and borderless alternatives to traditional currencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies can provide opportunities for significant gains, but it's essential to understand the risks and volatility associated with this emerging asset class. Educate yourself on blockchain technology. Study the fundamentals of different cryptocurrencies, and develop a risk management strategy. Consider starting with small investments and gradually diversifying your portfolio as you gain experience in the crypto market.
Asset 10. Venture capital investments.
Now, let's explore an asset class that's at the forefront of innovation and entrepreneurial success: venture capital investments. Venture capital investments. Venture capital involves investing in early-stage, high-potential startups in exchange for equity ownership. This asset class offers the opportunity to participate in the growth of innovative companies and potentially earn substantial returns on investment. Research startup ecosystems. Attend pitch events, and network with industry professionals to identify promising investment opportunities. Conduct thorough due diligence. Assess the founding team, market potential, and competitive landscape before committing capital to early-stage ventures.
Asset 11. Retirement accounts.
Next, let's discuss retirement accounts, a cornerstone of long-term wealth accumulation and financial security. Retirement accounts, 401(k)s, IRAs, and other retirement plans offer tax advantages and investment opportunities to grow your savings over time. Maximize contributions to your retirement accounts. Take advantage of employer matching programs, and choose investment options aligned with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Review your retirement accounts regularly. Adjust your investment allocations based on market conditions and life stages. And explore additional retirement savings strategies such as Roth conversions and catch-up contributions to accelerate your wealth accumulation. Asset 12. Education investments. Let's highlight the importance of investing in education, the ultimate asset for personal and professional growth. Education investments. Whether it's acquiring new skills, pursuing higher education, or investing in lifelong learning opportunities, investing in education can open doors to better career prospects, high earning potential, and personal fulfillment. Identify areas for skill development and career advancement. Invest in online courses, workshops, or certifications, and prioritize continuous learning to stay competitive in today's rapidly evolving job market.
Conclusion.
Which asset resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts and investment strategies in the comments below. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wealth building insights. Remember, wealth isn't just about accumulating material possessions. It's about investing in yourself, your future, and your community. Until next time, keep investing wisely, keep growing, and keep striving towards your financial dreams. Have a nice day.